Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the OLA automation series. Okay, so in the last video, right, we saw how to run with how to integrate this with the browser stack cloud execution, right, and we saw the video, right, how we are going to test it. Okay, and before that, we are running through local through the APM, right. We are running through the APM, right. We are running locally, and we saw how to integrate also. I just right change the back to the app because before in browser stack I've added the curl URL, right. I've just generated one URL, right, for the browser stack, and again now I just gave the APK path so that it's taking the invoking the APK from the path. Okay, so in this video we'll just go to run once, right. Make sure everything is good. Okay, let me run once. Okay, so we added two test cases. One is right, going to the home page, just registering everything and going to the home page, and next one is just checking the account details page. We'll try to book as right, try to go to the book page, right. We'll just give the source designation. Okay, and we'll try to go to the book page in this video. Okay, so first, right, it's going to the right, right, background, navigate to home page, then it's going to go to the accounts detail page. Okay, I'll just enter the OTP manually, just we'll see the last two test cases is fine. Okay, so it's going to run the first the background, the home page is going to the home page, is registering everything and just going to the home page. Okay, and then right, 1 minute. Okay, so it will click allow. It's going to allow give the notification access everything. Okay, okay, so you did complete the background. Now navigate to the home page. Okay, now it should go to the accounts detail page and come out the second test case, it's running now. Okay, so both the scripts is fine. Okay, there is no issues in the both the scripts, both is working now. Okay, so now let's automate the third scenario. Okay, so we need to automate the third scenario, that is book page. Okay, for that I'll create a class. Okay, I'll create a book page. Okay, I'll create a book steps also. Okay, so here we are doing with BDD hybrid BD Cucumber framework, right, where we integrated right page object model design pattern, right, uh, right, we integrate page object design pattern, BDD Cucumber test ng, and we can also add data driven also in our framework. Okay, so now I've added two class, one is a book page and next one is a book steps. Next one is future file. Okay, so now I'm going to do is, right, I'm going to type the scenario. Before that we'll do one thing. Okay, we'll do first the page class will do it. Okay, so now what we'll do is, right, I'll just copy this one. Okay, I'll paste here. Okay, now we'll create a constructor also. So I'm just doing a simple copy paste here, which I copied from the previous page class. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, right, I created this class, then I initialize the APM driver here. Okay, APM driver, right, I just initialized, and I just initialized the util also from the utility class, right. I just right call the APM driver, right, and also the util class, and I created one object called as util. Okay, so next we are going to locate all the elements. I will just change the x path, just hold on. Okay, now right, I created a constructor and I differentiated the instance variable and the right, right, and the driver. Okay, and the right parameter I just right differentiated with this one. Okay, this dot driver equal driver dot class dot driver dot get, it's calling the right library class driver here. Okay, here we are not going to use browser stack, we are going to run through local. Okay, it's going to call this get driver from the library class. Okay, so it's called the library class driver. Then I created one object, this dot util equal to new util class driver. Okay, so this is going to differentiate the local variable and the parameter. Okay, that's why we use this here. Okay, so now what we'll do is, right, we will see what are the steps you are going to automate. Okay, so I'll give this one. Okay, first, right, we need to right go to this, right, change location we should handle. Okay, for that I'll go to the Appium inspector. Hope you all watched the previous videos. Okay, so right, Appium inspector is used to locate the element. Okay, let me start again. First, what you should do, you should run the right, go to the right home page. Right, then you should handle the accounts details. Then you should go to the book page. So three scripts you are going to run with the end of this video. Okay, so let me register manually here. Okay, I'll give my number and I'll manually enter my OTP. OTP we need to enter manually. Okay, so I'll just give 7722. One minute, incorrect OTP. Okay, okay. First time we should register it manually. We'll do manually. Okay, allow. Click allow. Only this time I'll click allow. Okay. Okay, we'll inspect this one. Okay, let me refresh it. Okay, we'll inspect this one. Okay, change location. First you should click the change location. I'll copy this one. Okay, I'll go and I'll change it to location. Okay, and I'll paste the XPath. First it will click the location. Okay, first it will click the location. Okay, after clicking that, what you are going to do, we are going to click the pickup location. Okay, for this we'll take the XPath. Okay, I'll refresh the Appium inspector, so it's navigating to the current screen. Okay, I'll click the pickup location and I'll copy the XPath for the pickup location. Okay, so I'll change the variable here, pickup location. Okay, and I'll copy the XPath, same thing what we did in the last previous videos. Okay, next what I'll do is, right, pickup location. After going to the pickup location, clicking the pickup location, we need to click the home, right? So this is my right OLA, so is located my home. Okay, so whatever you given in your OLA app, it's going to display that, you can take that. Okay, so it's navigated my address, right, which I change now. Okay, so I'm not in that address now. Okay, so I'll just copy this XPath. Okay, next, right click home, click the right destination address, right, whatever address which is in our roll app. Okay, I just click my home here, so it's told the XPath of that particular location which is displayed in the wall app. Okay, then I click this home also, then it's going to click the continue. Okay, now let me refresh the Appium inspector again. Okay, let me take the XPath of the continue button. I'll just copy. I'll just keep the double click the X path. It should take the X path of the continue. Okay, let me go. Okay, and I'll copy this one. Okay, click continue. So we are going to navigate to the book any page. Right, continue. Okay, now what I'm going to do is right. I'll just click continue. Here I'll just click continue. Okay, then right, it's going to take the designation now. Okay, so now I need to inspect this designation search bar. Okay, for that I'll refresh it again. We selected right source. Right now we need to do a destination now. Okay, so first right, we should go here and select the designation now. Okay, for example, right, I'll just click work. All right, so here I'll just click it. I'll copy the XPath, or I'll directly give this one. Okay, click destination. Okay, I'll take this XPath now. Okay, so after clicking this one, okay, what happens? Let's see. So you should go here. Okay, and click book any. Okay, we'll take the XPath of this one also, and we'll close it. Okay, so let me refresh the Appium inspector. You should go to that current screen where I'll take the XPath of book any. I'll copy this one. Okay, and I'll paste it. Okay, okay, now I'll copy this one by dot XPath locators. Okay, so now what I'll do is right, I'll give right book any. So click the book any. Okay, now what I'll do is right, I'll just go here. Okay, I'll just okay, I'll do this one. Okay, now the locator is set. Okay, we need to create methods so that it's going to click it. Okay, I'll go to the previous page. Okay, I'll copy one method, we'll replicate for everything one method. Okay, first we'll do give a weight. Okay, and then we'll click it. Okay, first we'll give an explicit weight, then we'll click it. First is you click the location. First you go and click the location. Okay, so first we are giving wait for clickability until it's clicking. Just wait for 30 seconds. Okay, next one is then click the element. First it wait, then click the element. Okay, that is what we are doing. So we are calling from the util package, right, util class, where we created the method click element, and also we created reusability wait for clickability. This we are calling. Hope you watch the previous reusable videos also. Okay, so now what I'm going to is right, first let me click the location, then I'll copy here. Okay, now let's click the pickup location. Okay, I'll change the right variable here, pickup location, click element, pickup location. Okay, now again I'll copy. Okay, now let's click the home. Home means the source, right? Click home, pick a point, right? So now home, okay. Now let's give home. Then we need to click continue, okay. First click home, then we need to click the continue button. For each time it's going to wait and click the element, okay. First it will go and wait for the locator. Alright, then again it's going to click the element which you are going to locate, okay. Now we click continue. Now we should click the destination, whatever destination we are going to go, okay. So next is right destination, spelling wrong, kindly adjust. Okay, destination agree. Okay, next one is right. I'm going to give book any. Okay, it's going to click the book any. Okay, so we located everything. I'm just calling the locator into the method. Okay, now it's going to wait for the book any button. Then it's going to click the book any button. Okay, so we created a page class here, page object model. Page class is created now. Okay, now let's go to the future file. We'll create the future file now. Okay, scenario, okay, to navigate to book any page. Okay, scenario spelling wrong. Okay, next one is right. Okay, next one is given launch app. Okay, first what we need to do is right, we'll just copy it, paste, and we'll change it. Okay, just with the smart work. Okay, first what we need to do, we need to go and click the change location. Okay, let me go. Okay, and go and click the change location. Okay, click the change location. Okay, next one is click the pickup location. Okay, text box. Okay, that's a text box, right? We need to click it, right? Click the pickup location, pickup location text box. Okay, next what we need to do, we need to click the pickup location, then we need to select the source location. Okay, select the source location. Okay, next one is right, click the continue button. Okay, next right, click the okay continue button. Okay. Next one is right click the right enter the click the designation. Okay, or select the designation. Destination location. Click the designation. Okay, now next one is right click the book any button. Okay, and I'm just copying and pasting. Click the book any button. Okay, next one is right and take screenshots. Take the screenshots. Okay, take the screenshot. Okay, we created the scenario. Now let's generate the snippets and paste it in the book steps. Okay, before that we'll do some basic thing. Okay, we'll create a constructor here. Okay, so we'll go to the previous class and we'll just copy it, right, and paste in the book steps. Okay, so I'm going to initialize, right, the book page here. Copy the book page. We are just going to create an object for book page, so that we are calling the methods in the book page. Okay, so I'll just book. Okay, I just created a constructor for book steps here. I'm just imported the book package, so that, right, there it goes. Okay, so I created one reference for book page and for utility class, so that we are calling both the book page methods which we created now. Okay, and also the utility methods we are calling in our step definition. Okay, so now everything is set. Okay, let's run the code. Okay, then run the future file, generate the snippets and call it. Okay, so it's going to run the other two scenarios, then only it's going to generate the snippets here. Now OTP is going to come on it. Got OTP. Now I'm going to enter. Okay. It's going to click the allow phone calls. Okay. First scenario it did complete. It's going to run the second scenario. First, our aim is to generate the snippets. Okay, I'm not going for execution here. Both the scenarios is run. Now it's going to run the third scenario. Okay, it's going to run again. For second scenario also, it's going to run the background, then run it. Okay. So second scenario is going to again run the background, then it's going to generate the snippets. Okay, it did run generate the snippets. Okay, let me go copy this one. Okay, I copy the snippets and I pasted here. Okay, I'll remove the unwanted steps here. Okay, on it. Okay, so I generated snippets, I copied everything and I pasted here. Okay, let's reverse this out in the first one. Okay, book dot. Okay, first is click change location. Location, pickup location. Okay, it should give the pickup location. Okay, next book dot click continue. Click destination. Okay, so it's going to take the shot with screenshot with timestamp and name it as book any. Okay, now now book page is set. Okay, class is set. Right, the future file is set. Okay, so launch. Okay, okay, launch up. Okay, that's not an issue. Okay, so now okay, we'll do one thing. Mm, okay, this is fine. Okay, now everything is set. The future file scenario is set here. Okay, now the book steps is set. Okay, book page is set. Now let's run the code. Okay, so I'll go to the runner class and I'll start the execution. Hope you saw the right videos where we can invoke through the runner class. Runner class is to run the code. Okay, so here we added abstract test ng cucumber, so that is going to run with the via test ng. Okay, I'll right click run as test ng test. It's going to run. So we need to start the Appium. That's very important. In command line, you should go and type Appium. Okay, so you should start the Appium server here. Okay, so it's going to run all these three scenarios. Okay, each line background is going to run. Okay, first scenario, there are two scenarios. For first scenario, background will run, and again for second scenario, background is going to run. Okay, so if it's going to run the first scenario, okay, is going to, okay, it did execute the first scenario. Okay, it's going to enter the OTP. I'll enter the OTP. Okay, it took the click the pickup location. Okay, it's waiting 1 minute. Okay, you click the change location, pickup location. Okay, text box and source location. 1 minute, there is an error. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's go timeout exception and can click continue button. Okay, let me understand that. So I called 2 times. Okay, pickup location 1. Okay, I called 2 times. I made a mistake here. Okay, home. This is a mistake. Instead of write home, I call the click pickup location. Okay, let's rerun the script again. Okay, I need to enter the OTP. 1 minute, 3618. Okay, it did enter the OTP. It's running the first scenario. It's running the background now. It clicked allow. It clicked allow the phone calls, manage calls, notification. You should write. It clicked. It's going to launch the first scenario. First, it run the background. Second is going to go to the account detail page. It did click the profile arrow. Right. It took the screenshot. Next is going to go to the book any page. It's going to run the background again. Again, it need to register it. Okay, it is going to now go into the scenario now. First, you should click the change location. It clicked. You should click the pickup location. It did. You should click the home. It did. You should click the continue button. It did. You should select the designation now. Designation selected. You should go to the book any page and click book any. It did. Okay, it did run all the scenarios. Okay, it finished and all are passed. Okay, let me refresh the project. Should have the screenshots in the right place. Okay, it did have all the screenshots. Okay, so it did have it took the book any which we did now. Okay, the book any which we did now, it's been right, took screenshot. Okay, and we can right, go to the report also. Okay, so we need to go to the target folder. Okay, so we need to right, we need to get the extent report. Okay, okay, so book any page and account detail page, both is been right, captured here. Okay, two tests, two scenarios. Background is not considering as a scenario. Okay, but I did have two scenarios. One is account details and next one is in book any page. Okay, so it took all the time pass and the steps, right? Hook step, first it launched, hook step, then launch the app, then what are the steps we gave. It did capture everything with the timestamp. Okay, hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Right, thanks for your support. Right, we are planning to add more right, videos in this 2025. With your support, right, we'll like to grow. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.